I like this a lot. Makes my life easier and less heating tools on my hair. I purchased this product since it does 3 things in one shot. I use it to blow dry my hair, straighten it, and brush it. The heating system works very well. It is a true time saver with my busy schedule. The result is frizz-free hair without the static that I had with my old blow dryer and flat iron.M. What would take me hours with a flat iron, now takes me less with this. Sounds like a blow dryer but works better. It comes with really nice package. The brush is amazing. It does not burn my hair. It also make my hair really soft and shiny. Very easy to use, save me a lot time. It has 3 heat setting, low, middle and high. Perfect. Received with nice package, clear instruction with 3 different mode. Got this for my wife. It's bigger than what we thought, but it not an issue. Works great and very easy to use. My wife like it very much. If you have a long hair, you should have one. I have a curly wavy hair, that would have frizz every morning. Mostly straightening iron would go up to a high temperature while this one have different temperature setting. This brush is quick and easy, save me a lot of time. Highly recommend this product for straightening hair. Click link in description for more reviews.